Hello, Casali, what's up, Casali? How are you?
Hi, teacher. I'm fine, thanks, and you?
Fine, Casali. Welcome to the Casali. So, Casali, tell me, Casali, how was your weekend, Casali?
It was busy.
Busy. Why busy, Casali? Were you working? Were you doing housework activities?
I did housework activities,
All right.
and my brother um, go out
Went out.
do
My brother
went
went out.
out
Good.
to do some homework, and I um,
Okay, so some homework to a friend's house, to a bookshop, to a library. I don't know.
no to collect books.
Okay, okay, okay. To collect books, okay. Where, Casali? To collect books in a house with a friend.
Mm, in the house, but around the house,
Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Good, Cassandra,
in
good,
the
good, good, good.
street, and
Okay, okay, okay. What is he going to do with this book, Cassandra?
go. Can you repeat, please?
Is what is your brother going to do with these books?
Mm, he needs to do his collection of books.
Okay, okay, okay. Well, what is this like a homework, like a piece of homework, like a
Yes,
project?
yes, he's
All right.
studying biology.
Okay, okay. Interesting, very good, Cassandra. Cassandra, and what about your today, Cassandra? How was your day today?
Uh, was busy too.
You do? Why, Cassandra?
Oh, because I need to do uh,
I need,
shopping.
I needed
I
to
need
do,
I
needed
needed to do
to do some shopping.
some shopping. Yes,
All right, Cassandra. What did you buy?
the just house. I don't know how do you say cosas para la casa, la despensa,
Ah,
groceries.
exactly, exactly, groceries. You can say I needed to buy some groceries. I
I
needed to
needed to
buy
buy
some
some
groceries. Very good,
groceries.
Cassandra.
Yeah.
Cassandra, and where do you usually buy your groceries?
In the supermarket, the nearest supermarket.
Okay, okay, good, Cassandra. Cassandra, and speaking of prices, and speaking of spending money for groceries and for basic things, Cassandra, what's your opinion of Mexican economy, Cassandra? Do
I
you
don't
think,
know.
for example, many people complain that everything is so expensive nowadays? Do you agree or do you disagree with that idea?
I agree because mm, it sounds like low prices
Yes.
for some items, but if you, how do you say sumar?
If you add up,
If you add up all the basic needs,
yes,
you you have a really expensive um, basic groceries.
exactly, exactly. Yes, I use many people, including me myself. I also think that everything nowadays, everything is so expensive. But that is Mexico, because okay, that is our economy. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
I need to share the point with you. Okay. And
Okay.
last class, we read the artist article. Okay, look at this. Last class, we
Okay.
read this article. Okay. Word records. Okay. So we have to read it again in order to answer these activities. Read the article again, circle the correct words to make the sentences true according to the article. Okay. So I will read. Okay. It says, the most popular video war game sold 6.5 million copies in one day, 1 month. The longest snake is longer than the world's longest long jump. The people at one Even as a place have known a few next door neighbors. The worst time for accidents on the road is during the cold season. Sheinbaum, Dubai, Hong Kong has the most skyscrapers. The oldest living tree is not in one of the oldest forests. Okay, so let's read it again, okay? For the moment. I will read the first. It says, what was more popular? A family video uploaded online showing a baby biting his older brother's finger. A popular video war game. Charlie Bit My Finger made the record books as the most liked video in 1 year with 908,668 likes. The video war game, however, sold 6.5 million copies in the first 24 hours of its launch in the United States and UK alone. So, for example, the number one is the most popular video war game sold 6.5 million copies in 1 day or in 1 month, okay?
Okay.
In 1 day, okay? Okay,
Yes.
I will make it okay, very good. In 1 day. Very good, Sally. All right, so we will read the next. What is the longest?
What's the longest? The longest snake in the world, the shortest street, the
Good,
world record for the long jump.
good,
The world's longest snake, a python, is 7.67 meters,
good,
25 feet, 2 inches long.
good,
It's the scariest inhabitant at a haunted house attraction in Kansas City, Missouri.
good,
Meanwhile, the shortest street in the world, in Caithness,
good,
Scotland, is only 2 meters, 6 feet, 9 inches long. It consists on one house with the address 1
good.
Ebenezer Place.
Ebenezer Place.
Ebenezer Place.
Good,
The world record for the long jump was set in 1991.
good.
Mike Powell from the United States jumped, jumped,
Jumped, jumped,
jumped
jumped. Good,
8.95 meters,
good,
29 feet, 4.36 inches in Tokyo, Japan.
good, good,
More than 2 decades later, it
good.
was still the world record.
Very good. Okay, so here it says the longest snake. The longest snake is shorter, longer than the world's longest long jump. For example, the
Mm,
long jump was 8.95 meters.
shorter.
It's shorter, exactly. The Python is 7.67. Very good. Shorter. Very good. Okay. This one also. The people at one Ebenezer place have none or a few next door neighbors.
Mm,
Easy one. Okay, this is
no.
it's only 2 meters of one house with the other is one Ebenezer place. So obviously this person exactly no neighbors. Very good. Okay, so let's continue with the next. Okay, I will read. It says, which is more dangerous? It says, the most dangerous road in the world runs 69 kilometers, 43 miles from La Paz to Coroico in Bolivia. On average, there are 300 deaths annually. The road is most dangerous in the rainy season when it is muddy and wet. The deadliest animal is the mosquito. This insect can carry a deadly disease, malaria. Malaria kills more than 2 million people a year. Very good. So here is the worst time
Eh,
for accidents. Very good.
is wet.
Exactly. In the wet season. Very good. Okay, sorry. Will you please read the next, please? Which is older?
Which is older? Which is older? The oldest skyscraper.
Skyscraper? Skyscraper?
The oldest skyscraper.
Very good. City.
City,
Good.
the oldest living tree.
Good.
The oldest skyscraper, scraper,
Scrapper. Scrapper.
skyscraper
Good.
city in the world is in Yemen, Shibam,
Good.
with approximately
Good.
7,000 citizens,
Good.
has buildings up to 12 stories high.
Good.
Well, they are not the tallest skyscrapers,
Skyscrapers. Sky
skyscrapers
scrapers. Good.
in the world. The tallest is currently in Dubai,
Good.
um, UAE. UAE?
UAE. Very good. UAE.
Yes,
Good.
UAE. They are the oldest. Most of the 500 skyscrapers
Good.
were built in the 16th century.
Good.
However, Hong Kong, the place with the most skyscrapers,
Good.
has 2,354
354. Good.
towering buildings,
Good.
which together would almost reach a space station orbiting
Earth.
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 Earth,
Good.
yes. Some of the oldest forests in the world are in the Andes, a
Good.
mountain range in southern Chile and Argentina.
Good.
The average age of these forests is 2,500 years old.
Good.
However, the oldest living tree, a pine tree in the White Mountains of California, is 4,800 years old.
Exactly. Very good. So here it says this one. Shibam, Dubai, Hong Kong has the most skyscrapers.
Mm,
Cuyo
in
tiene que
Du-
salir. Dice, Shibam, Dubai, or Hong Kong has the most skyscrapers.
Shibam.
Shibam. A ver, leo que le dice. Dice que tenga la mayoría de los rascacielos. Shibam, with proximity. They are not the tallest skyscrapers in the world. They are the oldest. Most of the skyscrapers convenience to the whoever Hong Kong.
Ah, it's Hong
Ah,
Kong. Yeah.
y una cosa de Hong Kong, ¿no? Hong Kong, the place with the most skyscrapers. Exactly. That's very good. Okay. Here's que se le dice, the oldest living tree is not in one of the oldest forests or is in one of the oldest forest.
It's not because it's in California and the oldest
Exactly.
is in the Andes.
In the end. Exactly. Very good. Exactly. Very good. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so I will read the first and you will read the second. Okay, it says, the most popular video war game sold 6.5 million copies in one day.
The longest snake is shorter than the world's longest long jump.
Very good. The people at one Ebenezer place have no next door neighbors.
The worst time for accidents on the road is during the wet season.
Very good. Hong Kong has the most skyscrapers.
The oldest living tree is not in one of the oldest forests.
Very good. Here sale, find the bold words in the article, then choose A or B to complete the sentence. I will read. It says, after a launch, a company starts to a product. An inhabitant is a thing or person that a place. If a street consists of one house, it means it one house. Because number 4, when something,
When something happens annually, it happens every.
very good. Number 5, a
A,
city,
a city that has 7,000 citizens has 7,000.
very good.
A towering building is
Very good. Look at the possibility for the one. After a launch, a company starts to a product. Digo que es super easy. It starts to, I will write, to sell, oh, very small, okay. It starts to sell a product. Okay, start to sell a product. Okay. ¿Qué
Mhm.
es eso? Después de after launch, después de un lanzamiento, que una compañía empieza a vender un producto.
Okay.
Well, because I number two, please. An inhabitant is a thing or person that
Um, lives in
exactly that lives in very good place. If a street consists of one house, it means it
mm, it lit house. Uh,
exactly
one house
it has one house. Very good. When something happens annually, it happens
year.
every year. Very good. A city that has 7,000 citizens has 7,000
People.
people. Exactly. Good. A tower building is very
Tall.
tall. Exactly. Very good. Honestly, I will read the first and you will read the second. Okay. After launch, a company starts to sell a product.
An inhabitant is a thing or person that lives in a place.
Very good. If a day consists of one house, it means it has only one house.
When something
Very
happens annually, it happens every year.
good. A city that has 7,000 citizens has 7,000 people.
A towering building is very tall.
Very good. Good, Casali, good. Here, Casali, speaking and writing. By the way, Casali, I assigned some homework. Do you remember? About
I don't.
getting information about the oldest person in the world. Do you remember? Do you see what
Mm,
is see what I say or
yes,
nobody?
but I don't did it.
Ah,
I
yes,
didn't.
exactly. I yes, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Ah,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
I didn't do it.
okay. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, so let's continue with that homework for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so speaking and writing interesting facts. It says discuss these questions about your country. Find out as many facts as you can about each thing. Take notes. For example, what is the highest mountain or the longest river? What is the longest bridge? What is the tallest building? Because what is
What's the best known natural feature? The best time of year to visit? The city with the most historic site.
the most historic sites? Okay. Also, because this is
Yeah.
going to be homework too. Okay, to look up. Okay, homework too. Okay, look up. Which language? Okay, look up this information. Okay. For example, the highest mountain. I'm not sure, but maybe it's I don't know, maybe it's Popocatépetl or I don't know. Okay, the longest river in Mexico. Obviously, all about Mexico, no? The longest river in Mexico, maybe Quetzalí is Rio Bravo, maybe. I don't know. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so this is Hong Kong War 2. Okay. I'm going to take a photo. Okay. I'm going to share it with you on WhatsApp so that you can get it easier. Okay. And you won't need to access the board. Okay. But you can do it on a Word file if you want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's here. Okay. Very good. Very good there. Okay. Let's continue. Here it says, okay, read the article, okay, and the help note. Then write an article about an interesting place in your country. Add the information as shown in the help note. Include a photo if you want to. For example, here, this one. It says help note. It says adding information. For example, Mount Aconcagua is the highest mountain in Argentina. Plus, it is a peak in the Andes range. Mount Aconcagua, comma, a peak in the Andes range, comma, is the highest mountain in Argentina. See, I mean, look at how we can include information into a sentence and make a longer sentence, like here, okay? Mount Aconcagua, comma, a peak in the Andes range, comma, is the highest mountain in Argentina. Look at example number 2. Many people come to Argentina to see the Andes. Plus, they are the longest mountain range in the world. Many people come to Argentina to see the Andes, comma, the longest mountain range in the world. Here is the plan is to have two sentences joined into one. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you can say, for example, you can say, I love visiting. Okay. I don't know. This place. Okay. This is a wonderful place for me because I met my girlfriend, my girlfriend. Okay. I love it in this place. Okay. This is a wonderful place for me because I met my girlfriend. You can say this, for example, I love visiting this place. Okay. Where I met my girlfriend. Okay. Obviously, here can say I use where because I am speaking about a place. Okay. You can also use, for example, who for people. You can also use that for things. Okay. You can also use why for reasons. Okay. And you can also use when. Okay. For time. Okay. Okay, so here, let's see. Let's read this. Is Mount Aconcagua. Will you read for me, please, Casari? Mount Aconcagua.
Mount Aconcagua, a peak in the Andes range, is the highest mountain in Argentina at 6,962 meters,
Good.
22,841 feet.
Good.
It is the highest mountain in North and South America.
Good.
Many people come to Argentina every year to climb Mount Aconcagua and to see the Andes,
Good.
the longest mountain range in the world.
Casari. To climb. To climb.
To
Climb.
climb.
Climb Mount Aconcagua. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Casari. So this Casari is also going to be also homework. Okay. Okay. Because
Okay.
you need to get information about the place. Okay. You need to collect some data about the place. Okay. This is going to be homework 3. Okay.
Okay.
Write up. It's going to a similar article. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So in order to write your article, maybe you will need some words like this one, biomes. Okay. Biomes. We have, first of all, archipelago, bridge, coast, desert, island, lake, mountains, ocean, rainforest, reef, river, volcano. We also have, for example, bay, cliffs, geysers, hot springs, peninsula, sand dunes, and waterfall. Okay, so can you please read for me, please, biomes.
Biomes.
Good,
Archipelago,
very good.
bridge, coast, desert,
Very good. Desert,
island,
desert, desert.
desert,
Good,
island, lake,
very good, very good,
mountains, ocean, rainforest, reef,
very good.
river, and volcano.
Volcano,
Volcano.
volcano, very good. And
Okay.
then we bay,
Bay, cliffs, geysers, hot springs,
very good,
peninsula,
good.
sand dunes,
Sand dunes,
and
okay.
waterfall.
Very good. Hey, Casali, any question about any word you don't know? Pues, Casali, what is Casali? What is cliffs? Obviously,
Acantilado,
acantilados, very good. And reef, Casali?
I don't know what is reef.
That one que sale, reef. Arrecife.
Okay.
Arrecife, que sale, arrecife. Very good. Um, well, hot springs, que sale, well, what are hot springs, que sale, hot springs?
Um, eh, it's agua caliente, like
Exactly. Agua termal. Exactly, que sale.
yes, agua
Agua
caliente.
termal, o
Yes,
conocimientos de agua termal, okay? Que
yes.
sale, have you ever gone to any hot spring swimming pool?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay. And would you like to go, Kesali? Would you like to visit a hot spring lake or a hot spring swimming pool?
Maybe because I really enjoy to uh, hot shower.
Oh, yes, really? Okay,
Yes.
Kesali, very good. Basic for sure you will love it. Kesali, very good. Okay, Kesali. Okay, okay. So very good. Okay, Kesali, let's continue with the review. Okay, checkpoint units 1 to 3. It says, how much do you know about your partner? Complete the sentences with an adverb or adjective. Then make guesses about your partner by second the affirmative or negative form of the verb. For example, your guesses, my partner eats, doesn't eat slowly, listens, doesn't listen careful to the weather forecast, can't draw really good, doesn't get upset easy, feels, doesn't feel bad if he or she can do a job proper, tries, doesn't try hard to be on time for appointment. For example, here, for example, I will say, I'm going to say different. Listens, okay, listens, okay. Here is carefully, listens carefully to the weather forecast, okay. Okay, thank you. Please continue with the other, please.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
For bad is badly.
No, badly, for example, Kasani, doesn't feel, whenever you speak about feeling, Kasani, you need to say bad, okay? Badly exists, for example, you can say, for example, exists. Kasani, there was an accident, okay? For example, last week, no?
Yes.
Last week, for example. The injured person was bleeding. was bleeding badly. Excelente. Sí existe badly, pero se habla para más que nada, uno, condiciones de accidente y dos, por ejemplo, como aquí, la persona dañada, la persona lastimada, estaba sangrando mucho. Fíjate cómo
Okay.
cambia. Okay. Very
Yes.
good, very good. Okay. So it's feels bad. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Sí. Ah, deja salir. Repite. Hard. Tiene que salir. Hard. Hard es el adjetivo y también es el adverbio que sale.
Oh,
Sí existe Harley, pero, mira, recuerda, Harley significa casi no, con dificultad.
yes.
Por ejemplo, tú puedes decir, I can hardly hear you. I can hardly hear you. Es difícilmente puedo escucharte. Casi no puedo escucharte. ¿Ok? Oiga, Sally, I will ask a question for you. ¿Qué,
Okay.
Sally? Do you eat slowly? ¿Qué, Sally?
Yes.
All right. Very good. Do you listen carefully to the weather forecast, Sally?
And not really.
Okay, okay. Sally, can you draw really well?
Eh, more or less.
Very good, more or less. Very good, okay. Do you get upset easily, Sally?
No.
No. Very good, okay. Do you feel bad, Sally, if you can't do a job properly?
Mm, yes.
Very good,
Eh,
okay. Okay, okay. Sally, do you try hard to be on time for your appointments?
yes.
Very good, Sally. Okay, excellent, Sally. Very good, okay. Oh, it says, can you complete this conversation? It says, complete the conversation with the words and expression in the box. Use capital letters where necessary. Then practice with the pattern. For example, we have the possibilities. I have ever seen. I have heard. We really should. We sure did. Have you? I saw. At least. Always. Incredibly. The coolest. For example, have you been to a new sport complex? To the new sport complex? No, but I've heard it's fabulous. How about you? Actually, I've been there every weekend this summer. Okay. What is it like? Great. You see people there. Ida and Maggie there Saturday. They are hanging out at the skating rink. Maybe we should go skating there sometime. Yeah. So what is the pool there like? Gigantic. I think it's the biggest pool. Good. Do you remember that little pool in Lincoln Park? Yeah. We always had a lot of fun there. But it was small. Yeah, but it was free. It costs $20 to swim in this new swimming pool, in this new pool. Other person says, actually, I have been there every weekend this summer. Y acá sale this one. Have you? Y acá sale, have you? Ok, dice, en realidad, ¿sí? What is it like? ¿Cómo es? What is it like? Okay. Okay, sorry. Will you please continue with the other, please? Very good. Very good. Excellent, Casali. Okay, so let's read. Very good, Casali. I am Milton and you are Peter. Have you been to the new sports complex?
No, but I've heard it's fabulous. How about you?
Actually, been there every weekend this summer.
Have you? What's it like?
Great. You see the coolest people there. I saw Gillian and Maggie there Saturday. They are always hanging out at the skating rink.
Maybe we should go skating there sometime.
Yeah, we really should. So, what
So
is the
what?
pool? Sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes.
So what's the pool there like?
Gigantic. I think it's the biggest pool I ever seen.
Do you remember that little pool in Lincoln Park?
Yeah, we always had a lot of fun there.
We sure did, but it was incredibly small.
Yeah, but at least it was free. It cost $20 to swim in this new pool. Good, Casari. Okay, what do you think? It says complete the question with superlatives. Then ask and answer the question with a partner. For example, what is the tallest building in this city? What is park around here? Where is good place to sit and enjoy the view? Where is expensive restaurant in this city? What is delicious thing you have ever eaten? What's bad movie you have ever seen? Who's busy person you know? Okay, super easy. Just write the superlatives, okay?
Yes.
Very good. Very good, Casari. Great. Very good. Let's see. Okay. I will read the first and you will read the second. It says, what is the tallest building in this city?
What's the nicest park around here?
Very good. What is the best, Casari? What is the best place?
Just the best.
What is the best place? Very good. What is the best place to sit and enjoy the view?
Where's the most expensive restaurant in this city?
Very good. What is the most delicious thing you have ever eaten?
What's the worst movie you've ever seen?
Good. Who is the busiest person you know? Very
Okay.
good, Casari. Okay. Casari, what is the most delicious thing you have ever eaten, Casari? In your opinion?
Mm, I don't know. Maybe some ice cream?
Very good. Okay. Casari, and in your opinion, or according to the people you know, who is the busiest person you know, Casari?
Mm-mm. One friend, her name is Samantha. He, she's
She.
always, she, yes, she's always working.
All right. So she's the busiest person you have met.
Yes.
Casari, and would you like to be as busy as she is?
No,
No. Well, why not, Casari?
because she's workaholic and I don't.
Exactly. Exactly. That is, as they say, no, Casali, everything in extreme is bad. Okay. Even
Yes.
even work, even work is also bad. Okay. Okay, so it says here, add an unpaid adverb before each adjective below. Use a different adverb each time. For example, we have extremely, dangerous, disorganized, impatient, talented, reliable, arrogant, inconsiderate, dishonest. Okay. For example, we can say extremely generous, or we can say incredibly, lo que dice que sale, incredibly disorganized. Look at this. Incredibly disorganized. Okay. What about the consecutive? Please write an adverb. Okay.
Yes.
Very good, Cassandra, very good. Very good, very good. You also use any of these, like any of these others are also matchable, okay, with these adjectives, okay? Very good. Okay. Okay, so I will read one and you will read it. For example, it says extremely generous. Totally
Incredibly disorganized,
good. Completely impatient.
very talented,
Good. Absolutely reliable.
too arrogant,
Very good. Quite inconsiderate.
surprisingly dishonest.
Dishonest. Okay. Remember, we can use any of the, for example, que sale. Extremely, incredibly, very, quite, remarkably, exceptionally, utterly, surprisingly, terribly, intensely. Maybe you don't know
Okay,
this, okay. What is it? Utterly. Utterly.
I don't know.
This one is similar to on to totally.
Okay,
Utterly or totally. Okay. Very good.
yes.
Okay, sorry. Very good. Okay, sorry. It says think of a person for each quality above. Think of one thing this person is always doing. For example, tell a partner. My friend Cecilia is extremely generous. She's always helping people. Ah, super easy for example, I say, My brother Daniel, okay, my brother Daniel is incredibly, okay, disorganized, okay. He's always, he's always losing his glasses, okay. My brother
Okay.
Daniel is incredibly disorganized. He's always losing his glasses. Okay, so will you please write what for the others?
Okay.
Maybe here, okay, maybe here. Very good. My mom is completely impatient. She can never wait for me. But here, here, dime que the second sentence is the idea is to practice present continuous with always, like here. She's always helping people. He's always losing his glasses. For example, my mother is completely impatient. She's always, yo diría así, mira. Yo diría así. She is always rushing on us. Ella siempre nos está apurando, ¿ok? She's always rushing on us. Ella siempre nos está apurando. Entonces hay que hacer to practice present continuous with always. Very good. Está que hacer. Very good, very good, very good.
Uh, he's always painting beautiful paintings.
Exactly. Very good.
Okay.
Sonaría a pleonasmo, pero en inglés no lo es que sale, ¿ok? He's always
Okay.
painting beautiful paint. Siempre está pintando bonitos pinturas, ¿no?
Yes.
In Spanish, yes, it's a pleonasmo, but in English, no.
Okay.
Excellent, Sally. Very good. Great, great, good, good.
All of the decisions?
Says, my cousin is quite inconsiderate. She's always making uh, all of the, very good, Sally. All of the decisions. Very good. Exactly. Exactly. That's good. I guess I do this. Do this. Any nice. Always, Sally. Always. We always say tell lies. Tell lies. Say lies. No. Why not, Casali? Because this combination tell lies is something called, Casali, accommodation. Okay.
Okay.
There are some rules that say, Casali, that some words only combine with other words. In this example, is always tell lies. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Honestly. Okay, I will read the phrase and you read the second. It says, my mother is completely impatient. She's always rushing on us.
My friend Mao is very talented. He's always painting beautiful paintings.
Good. My father is absolutely reliable. He's always working.
My classmate is too arrogant. He's always speaking about himself.
About this.
I
About
just
him. Good. My cousin is quite inconsiderate. She's always making all of the decisions.
My nephew is surprisingly dishonest. He's always telling lies.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, Kasari. Here, Kasari. Any question, Kasari? Something not very clear, problem, Kasari?
No.
No? Okay, so remember, you have the previous homework, which is the research about the oldest person in the world. I think is a woman, Kasari. I think it's a woman in Japan, but I'm not very sure. Okay.
Okay.
And then also write this one, okay? Okay. A similar article like this one. Or obviously, try to use information about Mexico, about something, I don't know, a reef or a mountain, or okay, or a biome in Mexico. And also this one, okay? Pick up this
Okay.
information, okay? Obviously, you can do all of this on Word, okay? And then you can share the file with me,
Okay.
okay? The fastest way, try to upload the Word file to any cloud, and then you just share the link with me, okay?
Okay.
Good, Casali. So thank you very much, Casali, for being here today. Have a great afternoon, Casali. Try to relax, okay? See you tomorrow.
Thank you. The same.
Take care,
Bye.
miss. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.